The goal when WeatherWeld created a roof designed to last for a lifetime was simple: create a truly seamless roof. Theoretically, making a roof seamless like a bathtub would be the solution. Painting a roof would technically be seamless, but it wouldn't last. The seamless roof had to be strong enough to withstand the rigors of the environment while being flexible at the same time. Last but not least, the roof had to be UV stable against the sun. That product never existed. In 1987, WeatherWeld invented the world's only truly seamless roof, designed to be the strongest roof ever made. WeatherWeld invented the technology that took the world's strongest and most durable materials, long-strand fiberglass and ceramic asphalt, to fully encapsulate your roof from the top of the wall to the bottom of the drain, creating one seamless encapsulated piece, making it impossible for it to leak. For nearly 4 decades, WeatherWeld technology has never changed. Because 3D seamless roof reinforcement was built and designed right from the beginning, you can be confident that WeatherWeld was designed to eliminate the roof leaks on your buildings for a lifetime, the same way it has for hundreds of public agencies just like yours.